Drinking this mixture I'm going to share with you in this video will provide many health benefits. It will help reduce those chunky and belly fat. This recipe will flushes out all the bad fat, boost your metabolism, improve your digestion, reduce belly fat and help you to burn fat so fast. Recipe 1. Grind together cabbage, cucumber, ginger, and lemon with water. Cabbage is a low-calorie vegetable that's high in fiber, which can help promote feelings of fullness and aid in weight loss. Cucumbers are also low in calories and high in water content, which can help keep you hydrated and feeling full. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and may aid in digestion. Lemon water can help stimulate digestion and boost metabolism. Then sieve out the water and drink it morning and night. Recipe 2. Pineapple, cucumber, ginger, apple cider vinegar. Lemon and apple cider vinegar. Slice the pineapple, cucumber, lemon, ginger. Put them in blender, add in water and blend them. Then sieve out the juice. Now add in a little bit of apple cider vinegar, maybe half teaspoon, in a cup and drink. Apple cider vinegar reduces your appetite, which is very important for weight loss. It also helps to flush out bacteria from your body. These juices contain vitamins and minerals for the proper functioning of your system and good health. This will remove those chunky and belly fat in your system. Thanks for watching. Share this video with your family and friends, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.